How AI can give you superpowers. Hey there, future creative genius. Ever wondered how you can have the creativity of an artist and the skills of a professional without actually being born with a paintbrush in hand or a music note in your brain? Well, let me tell you, AI can give you superpowers that take your normal, everyday skills to the next level. The power of AI. Imagine you're an artist, but you've never really had training in painting, music, or design. You have ideas, you're creative, and you've got that spark. But without the right skills, how can you bring your ideas to life? That's where AI tools come in to make you unstoppable. AI can take your creative thoughts and transform them into stunning art, music, videos, and more, even if you don't have formal skills. With AI-powered tools, you don't need to know how to paint or play an instrument. You just need to have a vision, and AI will help you make it happen. Text-to-books. Always wanted to write a book, but don't know where to start? With AI tools like ChatGPT, you can describe your story idea, and the AI will help you write entire chapters, create dialogues, and even develop characters, all based on the prompt you give it. Whether it's a fantasy novel, a thriller, or a children's book, AI helps you turn your creative ideas into a full-length book in no time. This is perfect for someone who has the imagination, but might not have the writing skills or time to create an entire book from scratch. How does AI help you create? Text to image. Ever wanted to create a beautiful piece of art, but don't know how to draw? With AI tools like text to image, you can describe your vision in words, and the AI will create amazing art for you. Just say, draw a futuristic city with flying cars, and bam, you've got an artwork that looks like it was done by a professional. This is how AI helps you turn your creative thoughts into reality. Text to video. Let's say you have a cool idea for a short film, but you have no idea how to film or edit. With AI-powered tools, you can describe what you want. Create a video of a dragon flying over a snowy mountain, and AI will turn your idea into a movie scene without you ever touching a camera. How cool is that? Text to audio. Do you have a catchy melody in your head but no music-making skills? No problem. AI tools like text to audio allow you to describe the sound you want, a calm, relaxing piano piece, and AI will create the music for you, just like a composer would. AI helps turn your musical ideas into reality. Text to 3D characters. Always wanted to design characters for a game or animation. With AI tools, you can describe the character, and the AI will create 3D models, a fully rendered character that you can use in games, animations, and digital art. This is perfect for someone who has the ideas, but doesn't know how to make the 3D models from scratch. Why AI makes all the difference. Here's where it gets interesting. A great artist without AI might be amazing with traditional skills, but someone who's not as skilled but knows how to use AI can outperform them in a lot of ways. No skills, no problem. With AI, someone who can't draw or can't play music can now create amazing work. AI brings their ideas to life at a professional level, no experience required. Instant results. AI tools give instant access to top-quality outputs. Imagine you're a beginner with ideas, and you've just learned how to use a text-to-image tool. In minutes, you can create stunning art. While a skilled artist might take hours, you can level up in no time. Everyone can be an artist. AI makes creativity more accessible to everyone. It lets you experiment with ideas and bring them to life even if you don't have the technical skills. It's about empowering your creativity, no matter who you are. Why is this a game changer? The beauty of AI is that it levels the playing field. You don't need years of experience to create at a high level. If you can think creatively and know how to use AI tools, you can create work that is on par with, or even better than, someone with years of professional training. Whether you're making art, music, videos, or 3D characters, AI will help amplify your creativity and turn it into something extraordinary. And the best part? Anyone can do it. AI makes you the artist, even if you've never touched a paintbrush or picked up a guitar. So, what does this mean for you? AI doesn't replace creativity, it boosts it. The future of art and creativity isn't about whether you're the best artist. It's about whether you can use the right tools to bring your ideas to life. With AI, you can go from a beginner with ideas to a superpowered creator. So go ahead, dream big, use AI, and turn your creative vision into reality. Whether you're an experienced artist or someone with just a ton of ideas, AI will give you the tools to create amazing things. Hit that like and subscribe if you're excited to see what AI can do for your creativity. See you next time. #StayAhead.